Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have problems where the windshield washing system does not work, the windshield washer is not spraying guys water fluid, windshield washer fluid, stay with us. We'll explain which fuse you need to check. You have a special fuse for the windshield washer. We'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the windshield washer fuse, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey right here. You have up to 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the main fuse box under the hood. You will have 2 different fuse boxes. This is the secondary, this is the main one right there. So if we zoom in a little bit, guys, you're going to see this is your main fuse box. And once you open that cover, okay, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. This is the front of your Honda Odyssey, this is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Guys, which fuse we need to check for the windshield washer system now? So if you come right here on the left side on the very top row and you start counting fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, that 15 amp fuse. So in that bulk of fuses right here from left to right, that will be the second fuse that you will need to check. That 15 amp fuse will be the one for the windshield washer that you will need to check, guys. Check it out. If it still doesn't work, it could be bad pump for the windshield washing system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.